I got y'all right here on the daily. As y'all can see, we're really close to the real crunch time here. So we only got two options, right? We might come up here and get a little spike up one more time. Like I told y'all before, around 34,000. You know what I mean? That general range, and then a real rejection, or we may not even make it up there. See, first we gotta break to 32,000 first. You know what I mean? We may actually get rejected there again. Let me get a little closer so y'all can see what I'm talking about. So on the 4 hour lead, y'all can see we came up here, tested this 100 MA once, boom, tested it 3 times, right? So this is always a make it or break it. The third time is always a charm. So we come up here this 100 MA one more time and get rejected, boom, we going straight down to 20,000 because that's our next range. And if we do get a breakthrough, right, we might get a max, like I say, around 34,000. Shouldn't go much past that because this is this gap right here. It should definitely be capped off right here, right before 35,000. Very max, but like I said, I don't even think getting up 34,000 because honestly, I believe we're getting rejected around 32,000 before we get up there. But like I say, we'll play out and see. Them the only two options on the upside. Boom, we either get rejected at 32,000, or boom, we get rejected around 34,000, or we could just keep going down right now where we're at right now. So, keep that in mind also. And y'all see these general ranges right here. Let me go a little farther on the weekly so you can see it. Boom, on the weekly. Y'all see this is basically the formation of this first jump. See the waves, support. See between these candlesticks. And also, like I mentioned, we could come up here, and I say this because we could come and actually test this 20 EMA on the weekly. That's why we could possibly get a spike up. But I mean, that's not really much of a move because that could happen in a day at any point in time and spike right back down. Just like you see here, like a test like it want to, but it's not going to do it. So at any point in time, it could come test that and then shoot straight back down. Because like I mentioned, we're in the zone right here. Y'all see this? We're in the literal zone to where we don't have no more support. Not down to 20,000 right here. But then, like I told y'all before, we have to finish this whole head and shoulders. So it's going to come all the way down to 10,000. And like I mentioned before, this could be slight support because it could actually keep going down past this. Like, that's why I tell y'all, this is the crunch time. Once we make this second drop, it's going to be nasty because it could break through this 20,000 range and go to 10,000. Because I'm actually still expecting this thing to go down to 5,500 to recover these candles down here. Because like I showed y'all before, y'all see the way we came up here, boom, and you see this nice little move up. It did the exact same thing right here, boom, shot all the way down, 1 week candle, boom, all the way down. And guess what it did? It came down here, recovered all these candles, spiked back up, and leveled off right here on the 100 EMA. And that looks so obvious, so you can't say that's not what they do. So boom, this is what I'm expecting to happen. While I keep warning y'all, you can see it happen over here. It just looks much larger over here. And like I say, this is a head and shoulders, a large head and shoulders. This is a head and shoulders right here, and a smaller head and shoulders that forming right here. So this can easily be a one candlestick just like that, because you already see this only took 3 candlesticks. This one, we have multiple slow candlesticks. This was a mean one right here to tap this 100, but like I told y'all, they would do that to try to trick people to stay inside, you know what I mean, and lose their money. But what's going to happen is now, I mean, they just basically playing with people's minds right here. Because it's in a whole bad area. There's no support over here at all, really. To be honest. They're just holding it right here to wait till enough people hop in and they're going to crash it. But like I said, I mean, you cool if you're a day trader, you'll see everything coming. But I mean, otherwise, I wouldn't be buying too much until, like I said, until we get this drop below this 20,000. Hit this 10,000, see what it do. But I really do believe going to 5,500. But I mean, this range is really bad. I mean, y'all can do what y'all do when it's down here, but like here, you see all this green, man. Nah, it's gonna be a nasty stick somewhere. They've been holding off on it, but it's coming. But I'm gonna go ahead and recap this. You see this previous resistance right here, boom. That's gonna be the next support. Like I said, 20,000. That's clear as day. And also you see these red candlesticks right here, perfectly right there. That is clear as day support, and that's how y'all can see that in the chart. And down here is also resistance. You see resistance, boom, and resistance right here. So that's how you definitely know. And a big recovery of these candlesticks in this second zone right here. Like I always tell y'all, market maker love doing things by threes. See the way this made this move up? 1 move, 2 move, 3 moves, drop. Repeat. See, 1, 2, 3, boom. Do the same thing. They love doing things by three. Just like the head and shoulders is like a test up to the high. 1 test, 2 tests. It don't come up, so it's about to drop down. You feel me? But yeah, like I say, I believe the low is 5,500, but I'm gonna just say 10K. Until we get to 20K, then I'm gonna say 5,500. But this is what I feel is gonna happen. And as y'all can see, y'all been with me from the beginning. Y'all see everything I did say has happened, and I explained it to y'all, and y'all see it play out the way it's playing out. But anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, y'all make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.